Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to new lesson at class 7 English second paper class. Hi, my name is Kazi Madal Haq, part of online class organized by Ashwat High School. Dear students, today I am going to teach about one of the difficult, confusing, fun and maybe grammar point called articles. So today's topic is article. Article is very confusing because there are many rules in English about articles, but all do I best. Dear learners, first of all, what are articles? Articles are three important ones. They are A and B. We all know that in English alphabet A to Z we have our vowels, we have our consonants. I am sure that you all know vowels very well. Dear learners, I hope you will enjoy the class up to the end of the class and learn a few very interesting ways how to use articles in sentences, exams and conversations. Articles come before noun. Noun. What is noun? Noun is a person or a place or a thing. So we can tell that article used in English before noun. So in alphabet, the first one article, the first one is an. And we have vowels. Vowels are 5 in numbers in alphabet. What are they? They are A, E, I, O and U. I. So first one is N. N is used before a noun beginning with vowel. So let above say apple. The very word or noun here apple is beginning with the letter A. So A is a vowel. So before our we can use N because the very word apple is beginning with a that is vowel. Vowel. The pronunciation call it vowel. I. This is I to help us. U. The second word is elephant. Elephant again beginning with the letter E. E is vowel. So we can use again N. Ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Ice cream. This word, this noun or word is beginning with the letter I. So again we can use here N. Orange. Orange is comprised of the words beginning with O. O is verb. So here we will use that. The last one is umbrella. Umbrella begins with the letter U. U is verb. So we will use here N. So here we have 5 examples. A apple, E elephant, I ice cream, O orange, U umbrella. In each and every words or nouns we have our vowels in their beginning. But we have our exceptions as well. We may talk about honest. Here honest, a word. The very word is beginning with H. H is consonant. But we pronounce it as honest, not honest. That means here H is silent. So H is silent. So we will use here N. We will use N. The second example is hour. Hour is beginning with H, but H is silent. So we pronounce it as hour, not hour. So we will use here N. Dear learners, we know that before noun, in English we use articles. We use articles when we speak, when we write, when we read. Important in grammar. So we can avoid articles. Now come to the article A. A is used before singular noun. We cannot put articles before plural nouns or nouns having S. The article A is used in general. When we think about something in general, we use then article A. A is the first letter of the alphabet. In general means we think about like a book, a sheep, a sandwich, but we can't imagine about a definite or specific thing. Any of the books would do. General means anything. General means anything. Here two examples, a book, sheep. Here book organized beginning with B, a consonant. Or a book. I didn't mention any of the definite book. Any of the books would do here. Sheep, any of the sheep would do. So sheep is beginning with S. So A, we use here A. Before book we use A article, before sheep we use A article. Another point to remember to use article A, consonant. We have 5 vowels in the alphabet. The rest ones are consonant. So before consonant we use article A. This is a good book. This is a good book. Here before noun A is used. Or this is a book. This is a book. Book is this, so B is a consonant. So before first time, when we think about a thing for the first time, I mean we didn't mention about that thing before. For example, I see a tree. I see a tree. Here with think about it for the first time, because I did not tell about tree before. So these are the 3 points to remember before using article A. The general that means any, not definite, consonant before consonant, and first time for the first time, and not told before. Now come to the article the. The is used for the nouns which are specified or specific. For example, the tree is tall. The tree is tall. Here the noun tree is specified because I mentioned the very tree, no other tree but the very tree, the tall tree. So the is used for specific thing. The second point, second time. This means we tell about things before. For example, I bought a fruit. I brought a fruit. The fruit was sweet. So here the is used for the second time. For the first time, I bought a fruit. Here the fruit is told before, and second time we used the fruit. So the is used for the second time. Now we have to notice that the article A and article A are opposite to each one. I mean, A is for general sense or any of the things, but D is used for specific thing. So each one is opposite to one another. So dear learners, you have enjoyed the class. You have learned your articles. You have learned the ways to use articles. We use articles when we speak. We use articles when we write. We use articles when we conversate. Dear learners, you have enjoyed the class, and the articles are and A and D. N for the words beginning with vowels before the nouns beginning with vowel and used. A is used before the word beginning with consonant, and general and first time. And the is used for specific thing, and when you think for the second time. So I hope you have learned your articles, and I think you keep practicing and learning. We will come again with new lesson next time. Until then, see you. Stay safe. Bye.